Okay, so here we have a Google certified Android TV box, and it's from Mecool, and the model name is KM9 Pro. So Mecool KM9 Pro. And this one has 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, and it runs on Android 9.0, and it supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and it has voice control. So this is a very high spec Android TV box. So let's do an unboxing of this one in this video. In coming videos I will do some testing and connecting it, and some review videos and so on. So hang out on my channel to see all the rest. But let's start with an unboxing. A pretty cool box actually. I like the design of this one. So let's open it. As you can see, very nice packaging. So here we have a manual, how to use it and so on. And here we have a HDMI cable, I think. Yes, an HDMI cable. Nice. And here we have a power plug for European countries. Nice. And here we have a remote control that will support even voice control. Nice. Very nice remote. Looks really nice, and light in your hand and so on. Feels good. Very cool. And here we have the Android TV box itself. Very small and smooth. Here you can see Mecool Android TV. And here is some fan, a cooling system. So let's remove this and see what we got. On the front we can see some LED light, as you can see. And on the right side we can see a memory card slot and USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 ports. Very cool. And at the back we have the power plug, and we have the HDMI port, and we have a LAN port and a headphone jack or an audio output if you want. And nothing on the left side. And on the bottom we have a fan, a cooling system. So that is the box. So I will connect this and do some testing and so on. So check these coming videos out too, if you are interested in this. I think this is one of the best Android TV box on the market today. I really love the design, and it's very light in your hand and small. So hopefully everything will work smoothly with this. Okay, bye.